Very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Model English School, Kuntinagar, Navadapur. Students, today I am going to discuss the third video lecture of the class 9 of the chapter 3 unit 2, that is our ICT tools. So student, today basically we will discuss what type of tools are used for the processing the information. That means we are using from early morning to overnight. In every field we are using the ICT tools. Yes or no, student? That means different type of the ICT tools are required for the different types of the tools. Yes or no? That means, student, suppose I want to tell for the computer, okay, yeah, for creating the information, for storing the information, for retrieving the information, for deleting the information, for updating the information. Is that clear? What type of the tools are used for the ICT? In that situation, what type of tools are used? Is that clear, student? Basically, as we know that ICT means creating, storing, managing, updating, inserting the information in a digital form. Yes or no? That means all type of the information will be managed by the digital form. That is our called as a ICT. Is that clear, our student? So student, today class we will discuss what type of tools are needed for different way. Okay, students? Students, before discussing this one, we discuss some of the examples for the ICT. Okay, student? For the, you can take for the banking. Okay, student? ICT banking. ICT banking. For the ICT banking, what type of examples are there? So, student, we can take the example online banking, online transaction, okay, students. Second one, we can tell the word, students. Another one is a what? Paytm. Yes or no, students? Paytm, then payroll. Okay, students? Is that clear or not? Paytm, payroll. Another also we can tell the, we are using now UPI also. Yes or no? Third one, UPI. UPI. Okay, student? That is also another for another of the online transaction. Yes or no, students? So online transaction, Paytm, payroll, UPI banking. So these are all the what? ICT for the banking case. So that's why today when you are going to the bank, in that, and you can see there the what, there is no any type of the crowded. There is no crowded. That means there is a very little bit person. Which type of person will be there when they need the what? Fixed deposit? Yes or no? Or they will make the check or passbook updated. Otherwise, no need to go to bank, because by the online transaction, you can easily transfer the money from one place to another place at your home. Another also example we can tell, students, ATM. Is that clear? So these are all the examples for the ICT banking. In the same case, we can tell also, students, ICT business. ICT business. So student, for the ICT business, what type of the examples are there? So one example we can tell very popular, that is called as the what? E-commerce. That is here e-commerce. Yes or no, students? For the ICT business, the best example is here e-commerce. Under the e-commerce, the websites are Amazon.com, Flipkart.com. Yes or no, students? Is that clear or not? Then another also we will discuss, students, what? Online process processing, online processing. Third one, okay, then purchasing, item, buy online. So these are all the examples of the students ICT business. Similarly, ICT study. What are the examples for the ICT study? The student, we can tell now we are discussing or what we learn by the online method. Yes or no? By the online method. So that how to learn of your study material by the online. That is what are the example? Maybe to take the smartphone, laptop, desktop, and some of the online video classes are also available. Online teaching classes are also available. Yes or no, students? That means you can take the online test also. Yes or no, students? That is easy test. That is one of the example. Or we can take the quick test or online test. These are all the examples of the ICT study. In this way, we have discussed the students some of the examples. Now we will discuss the students what ICT tools, which is a very important. Okay, student, what type of tools are used? What type of tools are used for the creating, inserting, updating, processing, storing the information? That is a very important. Question will may come. For creating the information, write the name of the tools, ICT tools. For storing, what type of ICT tools are used? We will discuss now. Okay, student. So, students, for different way, that's why here I have written process related to the information. What type of processing the information? What type of processing the information by yourself? For that, we are using different types of the tools also. That means processing related information. What are those? Creation of information, processing of information, storage of information, display of information, transmission of information, exchange of information. Because students, not only the processing the information, you process, you create, you storage, you exchange, you transfer, transmission. That means these are all type of the way you can process. Overall, that is called as a processing the information. And that type of the types of the processing information, there are different types of the ICT tools are used. And today we will discuss that one. So, student, creation of information means make a information. That means, for example, type the information. How to type the information? In which tools are used for typing the information? Yes or no, student? That means you can tell how to create the information, student. You can tell PC, laptop, tablet, smartphone. So these are all the tools for creating the information. To create the information, to initialize the information, or you type the information, we need this type of the ICT tools. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not, student? Next one we discuss processing of information. For processing, after given information to the computer, so it will be processed. Yes or no? It will be processed. How it will be processed? By the help of students. As you know, CPU, Central Processing Unit. That means PC, laptop, tablet, smartphone. Every tools has a processor. Every tools has a processor. That means CPU, processor. Okay, students. This is the ICT tools for processing the information. Without processing the information, we can never what? See the output from the computer. Without processing, if you give the input and it will not be processed, information will never be displayed on the screen. For this, we must need the processing, that means CPU and processor. Okay. Then storage of information. After processing the information, first of all create, then process, then storage the information. Because you want to do the work after creating and processing, you want to store the information for permanently a long period of time. For this we need the storage devices, that is a storage ICT tool. For this, what type of the ICT tools are used, students? CD, DVD, okay, pen drive, okay students, hard disk, memory card. These are all the examples of the ICT tools for storage the information. Is that clear? The student, next one, display of information. The students, as we know, what we mean by computer, gives the instruction by the input device, then it will be processed, then it will be stored, then it will be displayed. Yes or no? After storing the information, now the information will be displayed on the screen. How it will look like? How do we know? Is that clear? To buy this one, we need the tools for displaying. That is a what, students? Monitor, yes or no, students? Then we can tell IAB, Internet Architecture Board also, or you can projector board, that is called as a digital board. Then another one is a projector, smartphone, okay. So students, these are all the examples of display the information, displaying the information. And these are all the ICT tools for which we can see the information. Is that clear? So student, next one, transmission of the information. Now you have created already, before discussing by the digital way, before discussing with your friends or relatives in the digital method, first of all you have to create. That means you take the example of the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, first of all you open the WhatsApp, either in the smartphone or in the tablet or in the PC or in the laptop. After that, open the WhatsApp, okay. Then first of all you type the information. That is your creating the information, okay student. Then it will be processed by the processor. Because suppose you want to write very good morning, so first of all you type VERY, very, it will be processed immediately. We don't know how much time it will take. That means in a very millisecond, microsecond, it has been processed. Yes or no? So student, that means it will be processed. Then after processing, it will be stored. Then it will be displayed, okay, on our screen. Then what will happen? After this one, then you want to what? Transmission. Transfer your information to your friends or relative. For this, what type of ICT tools are used, students? For this one, we use the word networking. Yes or no, students? Networking. Okay, students? Or channel. Is that clear or not? Or we can tell also, students, we can tell what D2S. The cable connection, that we can tell cable. So these are all the examples or means ICT tools for transfer the information from one place to another place. Is that clear or not, student? Then another one is you want to exchange the information. You will want to discuss in between the people, because in this way you can transfer, then exchange between the two peoples. Exchange between the two people. That means A and B are the two peoples. That means they want to exchange in between A and B. How to exchange in between two people? The tools are the what students? Emails. That is your emails. WhatsApp. Or any social networking site, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. These are all the ICT tools for we exchange the information. Is that clear, our student? So students, in this way, for the different processing of the information, need different types of the ICT tools. Remember this one, students. Displaying the different transmission of the information, okay, exchange information. You see, so I will ask a question, or I can ask a question. For storage of information, write the name of the tools. For exchanging the information, write the name of the tools. Okay, students, I am written here. Also, you read the book. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so don't be worried for this one. This chapter is very easy and very interesting. Yes or no, student? If you are interested, then you write on my WhatsApp. Yes, sir, I am interested. Yes or no? And I am taking interest of this word chapter. Is that clear, our student? So, student, go through the video thoroughly and see carefully, listen carefully, and you can ask me the doubt, so don't be rude. Okay, students? So that's it. In the next, we will discuss the next chapter of your what? Computer subject. Okay, students? First of all, you read this one, make the exercise question, then we will discuss the next chapter. Okay, students? Bye bye. Thank you.